My name is Jitte Roosendaal and I studied on the Utrecht University. I studied human geography. When I finished, just a few years later, I found my job here on the Dom Tower. And it's a great place to work. Great place to work with an old building from over 600 years old. And of course it's very nice here because of the visitors from all over the world. In normal days, of course. And the tower is open for the public almost every day in the year. And nowadays we have something special because the tower is under renovation. And it will be in scaffolding for about 5 years. And whenever everything is running according to the schedule, then the renovation will be ended at the end of 2024. Maybe it takes a little more time, maybe a little less. But it's interesting to know that the tower is open for public because the renovation is on the outside. You can climb the tower on the inside and then you go to the level of 100 meters for a great view over the city. We're here on a level of 100 meters. Originally the Dom Tower has only 95 meters, but because of the renovation the whole tower is in scaffolding and now we have a platform up 5 meters higher than usual. So we're now on the level of 100 meters. So you can really say you're on the roof of Utrecht. And from here we have a great view over the city and over the whole heart of the country. And especially with this light at this moment of the day, we can see over there, 45 kilometers away, we can see the skyline of Rotterdam, the highest city in the Netherlands. And over there to the north, about 25 kilometers away, we can see Amsterdam. We're standing here on the other side of the top of the Dom Tower, on the eastern side, and over there you see the hills far away in the direction of Amersfoort, and a little bit to the right, over there you see the University Center, the Science Park. And that started over there in the 1960s when there were so many new students and the old buildings in the inner city were too small. So they said, well, we need a new central place for the university. It started over there and now we have in total about 75,000 students in Utrecht. Of course our tours in the tower and our shift with the elevator are corona proof. And first of all, keep 1.5 meter distance. We have this elevator since last summer, and it's first of all it's there to bring up people who are not able to climb the tower by stairs. And think about elderly people, think about people in a wheelchair. They can go up now and in about 3 minutes they are brought from downstairs to 100 meters high. We split the elevator in 2 sections, and this section is a little bit wider than the one on the right, because wheelchairs can drive here in very easily. If you like to climb the tower by stairs, it's also possible. Look on the website domtower.com. Hope to see you soon.